is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find power windows, power steering, cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.